This video will show you how to create an order confirmation for Weill Cornell Medicine. After you log into your supplier account at supplier.ariba.com, you will need to find the purchase order that you would like to create the confirmation for. The first thing to do is to click on your Workbench tab. Then, after you click on the Workbench tab, you can select the tile for the order. So we can do new orders. As we scroll down, we will see a list of our purchase orders. If we do not see the list here, we can always edit the filter options to either extend the amount of days back that we are searching by, or we can search directly by the purchase order number here. I see the purchase order that I want to create an order confirmation for, so I will click directly on that purchase order number. And then that's going to take me to the purchase order page. It's important to note that Weill Cornell Medicine does require all of their suppliers to create an order confirmation. If you do not create an order confirmation, you will not be able to proceed to create an invoice. Before I create an order confirmation, I see that I am defaulted to the order detail. This will give me all of the header information for the purchase order, as well as the line items for this purchase order. After I review that information, I can click directly on the Create Order Confirmation button, and I will have the option to either confirm the entire order, update line items, or reject the entire order. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to update line items. And then I can start filling in the required fields for my order confirmation. The first thing that I will do is I will enter in a confirmation number. Then I will proceed down to the shipping and tax information. I know that I am required to enter an estimated delivery date, so I will enter that in. Then I will proceed to the line items, and I have the option of editing each line. And for each line, I can confirm the total amount, I can back order an amount, or I can reject an amount. So for line 1, I will confirm 5, and I will back order 0, but I will reject 5. For line 2, I'm going to go ahead and confirm all 10. For line 3, I will confirm 5, I will back order 5, and I will reject none. So now, when I go ahead and try to proceed to the next page, it is going to stop me because Weill Cornell Med does require that anytime that there's an amount rejected, that we enter a comment for that rejected amount. So I can click on the details button here, and I can enter in my reason for a rejection. And then I can add a comment here. And then I can go into more detail for why I rejected those 5. And then I can press OK. And then I will try and proceed again. And it will take me to the confirmation review page. On this page, I can review what I just did. And then at the bottom, I can submit. It's important to note that if you are requesting a change to a purchase order, that you reach out directly to the requester, and you can find that email in the header section of the purchase order. So you'd be able to see it here in the Ship All Items To section. So that is how you create an order confirmation for Weill Cornell Medicine by updating all the lines. We have a couple other purchase order options that we can choose from, and I'm going to show you how to reject an order. So first I will click on this PO number, and I'm going to click on Create Order Confirmation, and I will click on the Reject Entire Order option. And then I have to go ahead and enter in an order confirmation number. And then I can select a reason. And then I can enter in my comment. And that is how you reject an order. Again, if you are going to reject an order, it's important to let your contact at Weill Cornell Medicine know that you will have rejected the purchase order. I will click Done, and that will take me back to my New Orders tile on the Workbench tab. And this time I will show you how to confirm an entire order. So I clicked on the purchase order number, and then I'm just going to click on the Create Order Confirmation button again, and then click on Confirm Entire Order from the drop-down menu. I will enter in my order confirmation number. I will enter in my estimated delivery date. And I won't be able to edit the lines because I selected the option to confirm the entire order. Here I can go ahead and click Next, and then I can submit. Now I will see my order confirmation listed in this related documents section, where I can click on that order confirmation number, and it will take me to the order confirmation page. And this is the order confirmation that I just submitted to Weill Cornell Medicine. That is how you create an order confirmation for Weill Cornell, covering how to update all lines, how to reject an order, and how to confirm an entire order.